Bonjour et bonsoir, welcome back for another video in No Break November. If you guys are subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube is randomly unsubscribing people, so make sure you're still subscribed if you still want to be. And we're doing a natural lock reattachment. So we are starting off by washing. We're using our signature shampoos that we have in our shop. We have the biotin shampoo, we have the moringa, we have the ACV. We also have a biotin conditioner for those of our clients who do like and prefer conditioner. You'll see it right there at the top right. These are our 4 shampoos. We're not distributing the moringa as of right now, but everything else is available for sale in our shop. So we start with a nice wash to get her prepped and ready. And once she is washed, we get the locks ready to go. These are her locks, but I'm going to organize them. We're using our needles right here. Those are on our website as well. Comb. If you guys want me to start distributing the comb, we can do that too because we have a lot, but it's not on the site as of now. So let me know in the comments. All right, now to prep her hair. I'll show you guys how I prep the locks later. We're using our shop oil, the Omni oil. We're using that to moisturize her scalp after the wash while it's still damp. And now we're going through to do her parts to prep her hair. She opted out for C-shaped parts. She started out with great length. And as I always tell you guys, the longer your hair, the better. We don't really cut your hair unless you want us to, but we rarely ever cut anyone's hair. Anyone rarely ever wants their hair cut. So the longer the hair for me and for the stylist in my shop, it's the better. So here I am organizing the locks by length, size, thickness, everything to make sure that I'm pulling from the accurate places. Of course, the locks will never go back to the exact same place, but we can at least have some type of organization as far as where they go. And here they are, nice and organized. Doesn't that look so satisfying? I was just in, these locks were so beautiful and healthy. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful locks. So I was excited to put them in. These are the ends of the locks, and at the top there is where the locks were cut. So as you're gonna see in this video, I do not comb out the parts where they were cut because these locks were pretty soft, and they never really hardened as some locks would over time as they mature. These didn't really do that, so I'm not even going to comb them out because they're so soft, the needle's going to go through them. So that's the reason I comb them out sometimes, because I need that hair to be soft and looser to get a better attachment. In this case, it wasn't really necessary. It would actually take more time. So if it is necessary, we do it. If it's not necessary, we just attach. So this is what her parts are looking like. And we're going to go on to attach. And you guys have seen me attach before. As I said, there's a previous video that I uploaded earlier this week or last week. Go ahead and watch that if you want a better view of the attachment. But pretty much it's the same concept as instant locking, lock extensions. It's the same concept. It's just a little different. And as I said previously, there will be courses that really detail exactly what I'm doing, and we're also going to offer in-person classes where we teach you hands-on how to do what it is that we do, because it really is simple. It just takes time. It's very tedious. It's a honed skill. It's not something you just see and you do. That's how you go ahead and get poked. That's how you might even mess up your own hair, your client's hair, if you're like, okay, I'm just gonna do it. It takes practice. You can learn this on your own, of course, but you have to really dedicate yourself to practicing the craft, practicing the skill, making sure you master it, testing yourself, washing the hair before or after attaching to make sure it's still there, to make sure it's still attached. So her hair took me about 4 hours, I believe. 4 hours to attach her hair. And she didn't want to style, so we did a little dryer time after, and that was that. Her hair came out beautifully. It was like they were never even cut. Beautiful locks. So it was a pleasure to attach them. They were very healthy, in very good condition, and she was really happy with the results. And that's it. That's it for this video, guys. Once again, if you want to book with us, remember a consultation is required. Our information, everything is in the description box. Our website, products, everything used in this video is in the description. Give us a call if you need anything. Yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. As I said, there's a lot coming up at the end of the month. Just stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in the next one.